back to the channel. I'm Brian. Today I'm doing an open cup pour, one of my favorite pours. I'm kind of using some of the colors from the non-binary flag and queer neutral or queer gender neutral, excuse me, flags. I'll post those up here so you can see them. I wanted to do an open cup, very minimalistic, only a few colors, but I wanted to do an open cup and see if I can get the colors to come out and hopefully maybe get some Big Boulder Cells because I'm going to use the Artist Loft Soft Body White again. All right, so let's get down on the canvas and let's start painting. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I've got is a little 24 by 30. It's a large canvas, my favorite size canvas to work on. I like working on large canvases. It just gives me a little more opportunity to move paints around and get a composition that I'm looking for. I haven't done an open cup in a while, so I'm gonna do an open cup. Got a 16-ounce cup. I just cut the top off the cup. And so that's what I'm gonna use to pour into. And so my base coat will be black. That is the Artist Loft Soft Body. This here is Brilliant Green from Amsterdam. Artist Loft and the Soft Body White. Azo Yellow Light from Amsterdam. And Ultramarine Violet. So what I've got is my black. I've got my cup down inside the black and I poured a little black around the edge to seal that up. Now I'm hoping I don't end up with mud here, but these paints are mixed with 2 ounces of Liquitex Gloss Medium to 4 ounces of paint and then about 4 ounces of Floetrol. And then just a touch of water to thin out for consistency. I'm gonna pour up high because I want the color to sink below the black. So purple. And what's gonna happen is the paints are gonna push out from under the black. White. And yellow. So the paints are pushing out from here and the cup is moving towards me because this is just where gravity is bringing it. Now you're going to start to see the colors start to come up from the black. I like to take my torch and just kind of touch black here. Help bring those colors out. Lift up on the cup and slide it around here to the edge. It's going to bring those colors around. And I am going to pour more paint right here on the edge. So I'm going to pour some black. I'm going to put my cup right in it. I seal that up. I'm going to do the same thing, same order. Actually, I'm going to do a different order. I'm going to do green first. Yellow. Some white. And purple. Just letting those colors come up from the black. By moving the cup around, I'm going to create its own little separation from the second pour, from the first pour, so it's going to create its own little line. I'm just going to lift up and twist, bring the color on around. I'm going to set it right there in the paint. Fill her up with some black. Let's go with yellow first. Yellow. Green. White. And purple. I'm going to twist up towards you guys, just lifting the cup and twisting. This time I'm going to place it right here in the center. Put some more black. Move it around the edge. Let's go with the purple. White. Green. Yellow. Now that's pushing right into that other pour. So that's going to be a kind of interesting line that's going to create. So I've got a line that looks like here. Got a line that's going to go that way and a line that way. That's going to be very interesting to see how that comes. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it out this way. I'll do one more. I really want to see some purple in this. Throw a lot of it in there. Yeah, that's going to push it out. Yellow and green. Made an interesting choice with these colors, but man, look at the cells. Twist up. It's okay if it goes over that side. All right. Okay, so I'm out of my black. So I'm just going to use the other colors for the flow extender. What's left of them. A lot of the paint is over here. So I think what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and go off that end. Gonna move really slowly. Try not to distort too much of the cells. All back to the center here. The center. Go to this last corner. Very interesting design. Like the composition, but man, the massive boulder cells that happened here is just pretty phenomenal. Now, the question will be, which direction should this go as far as composition goes? Let me torch and I'll bring you guys in. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. Look at the directional change that happened with moving the cup around. This is so cool. And the massive boulder cells that are happening. This white is nothing but Artist Loft white, man. I'm loving this Artist Loft white. I know a lot of people hate it, but I'm just having a lot of fun with it. All right, let's see how this sucker dries. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, that's it for today's video. I can't show you the dried results because it's still wet. I painted it last night, so it's still drying. It's very, very humid here, so it's kind of taking a little longer than normal. So when it's dry, I will put it in the next video. Everyone, thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.